In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reuse existing tables in Confluence. Start by opening the Confluence page that contains the table you want to reuse. Next, click Edit to open the page editor and locate the table. To make the table reusable, insert an excerpt macro and place the entire table inside it. Once the table is inside the excerpt macro, save or publish the page to store your changes. Now, navigate to the page where you want the same table to appear. Click Edit and place your cursor where you want to display the table. Type excerpt include and select the excerpt include macro from the list. When prompted, choose the source page that contains the original table. If you created a named excerpt, select the correct excerpt so Confluence knows which content to display. After configuring the macro, insert it into the page and review the preview to ensure the table appears correctly. Once everything looks good, publish the page. The table will now be displayed on the new page while remaining connected to the original source. Any updates made to the original table will automatically appear everywhere the table has been reused, helping you keep information consistent across your workspace. And that's it. You've successfully reused an existing table in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.